Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Veronica Hopkins here at the NCSU Weather Center. After those beautiful spring-like conditions we saw at the end of last week, winter is back in full force for this week and going to knock us right back down to reality just in time for finals to start. And unfortunately, that's going to make for a cold, damp week as we work to wrap up our semester. But I'll let you know how that's going to affect your commute to and from campus this week as you work to finish up those exams. For our first exam tomorrow at 8 a.m., it's going to be a cold 37 degrees and a miserable commute to class as we work through that fog and drizzle for much of the morning hours. But we're going to warm up to about 51 degrees in the afternoon, but unfortunately those clouds and precipitation is going to stick around through the afternoon and into the evening hours. And we can see this precipitation on our radar image, and we're going to see it move in across our area tomorrow in morning and even into the afternoon, and that's going to create some foggy conditions and low visibility, so be careful when you're driving to and from school tomorrow. And that precipitation is associated with this cloud deck that's covering much of the East Coast through the next couple of days, and that's because of this low pressure system and cold front moving directly over our area. And a low pressure system is associated with descent, which means that the air is rising and condensing into clouds and precipitation, and that pattern is going to hang around for the next couple of days, which is going to mean we're going to have cold, wet conditions throughout tomorrow and into Tuesday, and finally clearing out Wednesday evening. So for tonight, cloudy and cold, and we're going to see drizzle changing over into fog tomorrow morning, late tonight and into tomorrow morning, and that's going to create those hazardous conditions I was telling you about. But then by the time we get to the afternoon hours, it's going to be mostly cloudy with a high of 52. But unfortunately, that's the warmest it's going to be this week, and we can see temperatures starting to drop off 48 on Tuesday and 42 on Wednesday for a high, as those clouds begin to clear out Wednesday night and making way to partly cloudy skies Thursday and Friday with a high of 45 and 44. Thank you for watching. This is Veronica Hopkins.